How to remove watermark from video. In this video, I'll show you 2 simple ways to remove watermarks from your videos. No advanced editing skills required. Let's dive right in. Method 1. Using CapCut. First, import your video and add it to the timeline. Then go to the Effects panel and search for Blur Effects. Drag the blur effect onto the timeline and match its duration to your video. Click on Mask, then choose a shape and adjust it to cover the watermark. Under Basic, increase the blur strength until the watermark becomes invisible. You can get the final video like this. Method 2. Using HitPaw VikPea. Open HitPaw VikPea and choose Watermark Removal under the AI toolbox. Import your video. Select the watermark. You can preview the result. The watermark has been removed perfectly. Then exit Preview and export the video. And that's how you can remove watermarks from your videos quickly and easily. If this helps, don't forget to like and subscribe our channel for more easy editing tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you next time.